In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Photopea settings. Sometimes while working in Photopea, you may accidentally change different settings, move panels around, or adjust options that make your workspace look messy or difficult to use. In such situations, resetting the settings can help you bring everything back to a clean default state. There are a few small things you can reset directly inside Photopea. For example, if you want to reset the foreground and background colors to their default values, you can simply press the D key on your keyboard. Similarly, if your image is zoomed in or zoomed out and you want to bring it back to its original view, you can adjust the zoom level to 100% using the magnifying controls near the top of the workspace. However, if your entire workspace layout or multiple settings have become disorganized, Photopea currently does not provide a single built-in reset button that restores everything at once. Because Photopea runs directly inside your web browser, most of its settings are stored in your browser's cookies and site data. Clearing that data will reset the application to its default state. To do this, open a new browser tab and click on the three dots at the top right corner of your browser window. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings page, go to the Privacy and Security section on the left side of your screen. Then scroll down and open the option related to cookies or site data. From there, look for the section where you can view all stored site data and permissions. Once you are in that list, search for photopea.com. If you cannot find it easily, you can use the search bar available on the page to locate it quickly. When you find photopea.com in the list, click on the bin or delete icon next to it and confirm the deletion. This will remove all stored settings and cached data related to Photopea. After that, close your browser tabs and open a fresh tab. Go to the Photopea website again and start a new project. You will notice that the workspace layout and settings have been restored to their original default state, allowing you to start working with a clean setup again. And this is how you can reset Photopea settings.